Welcome everybody. You can clearly see what I'm doing here. I am measuring off my first length of wallpaper. Now I've clearly measured the height of the wall and now measuring the same distance on that length of wallpaper to cut it to size. Now this is the first length and I will be cutting it as you see there, marking it, folding it, cutting it neatly. This is an easy way of actually cutting your wallpaper because you line up both edges of your wallpaper together, fold it across, and that gives you a nice line that you can actually cut to. The plan is cut this length and then I can turn it over and start measuring off subsequent lengths. If you've got a offset match or a half drop, you want to correspond the length next to it with the matching pattern, which I will demonstrate and show you in the next section. But for now, this is the length of wallpaper I'm starting with, and I will be turning it over like so, and you will see the F&B Peony wallpaper in its full splendor. Right, so you've just seen me cut off 2/620 on that. Now we need to get the half drop on this paper. So as I've said, it's not straight through. You've got to line it up and bring it across and see where your pattern match. And the pattern match will be there. Just there. Can you see that? Hopefully. See that pattern match is just there, so you need to trim off that top piece. So I'm going to line that up, make sure I'm happy with that. I'm just going to get my finger just there where I know where it is, and I'm going to fold to that top. Check it. Yeah, we're good on that. If you fold it sharp, then you can actually hold it and cut to that line with your shears. And while I've got it on the board, this is going to be length number 2. Marked it. So do you get the idea? I've got a spotlight in the corner. Do you get the idea? I've got to do this all the way through each roll now because I need to know that I've got the full amount of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 lengths all geared up, because I want to start with lengths number 4 and number 5. And at the minute, number 4 and number 5 will be coming off the second roll, which will be roll number 19. So I hope that explains it. Let me crack on and then we can get some paper on.